Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces with your quick tip for electric fireplace installations. So, I'm sitting in front of one of our models from Amonte, the Panorama series, which has the option for removing the decorative frame around the glass. And that leaves us with a very simple lip around the glass, like this one. That lip is typically 3/8 to 5/8 inch thick, depending on the model of fireplace that you're working with. And what that means is you have to be very careful about the materials that you're going to bring up to that lip. So many people like this frameless installation. It's very clean, it's very modern, looks wonderful. However, for instance, a lot of the stone slabs that are very popular for people to put on their fireplace walls at the moment are 3/4 of an inch thick. If I bring that slab up to this very small lip, it's going to stick out past the lip. And what I'm going to see is the cut, unfinished edge of the stone slab sitting here staring at me when I look down at this. So that isn't something I want to see. So it requires a little bit of planning ahead. So either choosing materials that are no thicker than this lip, like our leather tiles here, which are beveled towards the edges and fit perfectly next to this lip. If you're going to work with a stone that's thicker, you'll have to talk to your fabricator about possibly beveling the edges around your opening for the fireplace as well, so that they meet this lip nicely as our leather tiles do here. Or work with a material like a ceramic or a porcelain tile, or like our leather, lots of wood finishes are within the range that they will fit next to this lip without hanging over. But just a little thing that you need to plan ahead if you're doing a frameless installation. Not every material is going to sit against this lip without giving you a visual of a raw, unfinished edge around the lip. Now, it won't matter at the top of the fireplace because you're looking down and you won't see that. But when you look down to the bottom edge, you will see it, and you'll certainly see it around the sides of the glass. So think about the materials you're putting around a frameless fireplace installation. Think about the thickness of this lip that's been provided to finish those materials whenever you're looking at a frameless fireplace installation. So that's your quick tip from stylishfireplaces.ca.